Well, this was a beautiful day for an open house. The weather was beautiful. It cooperated with us, and we had a fantastic event here today. About 45 people came through this house that we have for sale, and a lot of interested buyers. And in fact, a couple people too that live right in this neighborhood are interested in buying, maybe not this one, but another home. And I got one other family that has a home to sell, and they are looking for something. So we're gonna see how we can work out a trade. So yeah, a lot of different things that we do here when we have our mega open house. If you are someone that's thinking about selling your home and you'd be interested in our guaranteed sale program, our mega open house system, our reverse offer system, there's some things that are special and unique. We'd love to talk to you. You can definitely become one of our VIP sellers. And if you're a buyer looking for a home, please hit us up. I'd love to tell you about our buyback guarantee and how we have homes like this that we always promote to our VIP buyers first before we bring them public. So this particular home we haven't put on the public market yet. We'll make a decision if we're expecting 2 offers today. If we don't get an offer, then we'll go ahead and put it on the public market on Wednesday. But this is one of the benefits of being one of our VIP buyers and one of our VIP sellers. So we're hoping to take care of this for this family very, very quickly and do the same thing for you. So I'm Erica Page with Luxury Living International at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. We love doing what we do and can't wait to do it for you.